the life and works of the director Ken Russell, who's died at the age of 84. Now, let's get you up to date with the weather, because it felt properly autumnal this morning, Nina.
It was a chilly start for some places. It's quite cloudy out there at the moment, and what we'll all notice through this afternoon is the winds will continue to strengthen. A windy spell of weather to come over the next 24 hours. And in fact, if we look at the satellite picture, there is also some rain around. Quite a mass of cloud to the north and west, and we're very much looking out into the Atlantic for our weather as we go through this week. As you can see, that cloud out towards the north and west is bringing some rain through parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some brightness to the east, and after that chilly start John mentioned, temperatures should just about recover to around 12 degrees in London, despite the rain further north and west, around 11 to 12 degrees. Now, the winds I mentioned picking up particularly out towards the west, with some warnings in force through parts of Wales, and the rain continues to intensify through parts of northwest Scotland and for Northern Ireland. But with all of that weather, not particularly cold through the night tonight. In fact, a lot of places sticking at around 9 to 12 degrees. So on to tomorrow morning, where it's not going to be particularly cold stepping out first thing in the morning, but it will be grey across much of northern England. There'll be some patchy, some light rain around. We've got some strong winds, but all ready to begin the day in London. Temperatures starting off at 12 degrees, so a very different feel stepping out tomorrow morning. It's cloudy. We've got some rain across parts of southwest England tomorrow morning. Some wet weather out towards West Wales, where the winds will continue to be strong at 8 o'clock in the morning. The rain at this stage heaviest across parts of Northern Ireland, where we do need to watch out for things as those totals mount up. Already saturated ground in parts of Northern Ireland, northern and western Scotland. A number of warnings in force. In fact, we could see some disruption due to localised flooding for parts of southwest Scotland to begin tomorrow morning for the rush hour. There'll be a bit of hill snow mixed in with that as well for Scotland. And as we go through the day, the rain continues to be quite heavy across much of England and Wales as it pushes its way eastwards. Staying dry during daylight hours to the east, where we'll see temperatures at around 11 to 12 degrees. Brighter skies following on behind with a few showers. Now, it's as that band of rain clears away on Wednesday evening that we lose the mild air and we allow this cold air to take hold across much of the country. So a much chillier feel to things on Wednesday. We continue with the theme of these strong winds. There'll be some showers out towards the north and west, which could be wintry across the higher ground. Fewer showers further south, so here we'll see some dry weather with a bit of sunshine and top temperatures of 11 degrees. But through Wednesday night and into Thursday, another area of low pressure will bring a spell of wet and windy weather. That continues to be our theme throughout the week, and with that dip in temperatures for the end of the week. If you'd like any more details on the weather or any warnings that we've got in force, then you can always take a look online.
Nina, thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Now, at 1:30, a reminder of our top story. The Chancellor has announced more spending to get the economy moving, but there have been warnings that the UK is about to move back into recession. Still to come on the BBC News channel in the next half hour, the singer Charlotte Church and the former TV presenter Anne Diamond give evidence to the inquiry into media ethics. Well, that's all from the news at 1 this lunchtime, so it's goodbye from me. And on BBC One, we now join the BBC's news teams where you are.